Hey guys, welcome to section 3 of this course, Windows Form and Controls. In this section, we will be learning about the form. We will learn what are the behaviors and properties of the form and how can we put or drag and drop containers and controls on top of the form. Also, we will learn about the group container, where we will be adding more controls from within a group container so that they will be dragged as one control, which means that all the related controls will be grouped into a group container. Also, we will learn about the label control. This very common control and how to use them as a guide for the user or as information provider for the user based on the status of the project or of the plugin. We will also learn about the text box, where we will allow the user to enter the text or the information that we need in our program. Next, we will learn about the button control, how to code the event when the button is clicked. And also we will learn about the radio button control, where we are providing the user with options to select from, as well as the checkbox, and also the list box, where we need to display different information. And finally, we will learn about the combo box. So same thing with the list box, where we will be providing the data that the user can select or choose from. So all of this, we will be creating a simple project to showcase the behavior of all these controls or their usage on the form. So yeah, in the next video, we will be creating the project for all these controls. Okay, I'll see you there.